create an account with Cpagrip and your account will be approved in less than 24 hours. I'm going to teach you how you are going to open your account with Cpagrip. Before 24 hours, your account will be approved and you will start making money in your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, let me take you there. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Angela Noble. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you and you will be the first to start taking action. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. In this channel, I teach about how to make money online with simple websites and affiliate marketing. Okay, today I want to introduce to you how you can sign up to Cpagrip affiliate marketing program, and I will still be bringing videos on how you can make money on Cpagrip affiliate marketing, how you can be getting links from Cpagrip and the websites that you can be using to post those links and start making money in dollars. So in this video, I will walk you through on how you can sign up, because signing up and getting approved can be challenging sometimes. So I will walk you through, show you the simple things, the simple tips you can use to pull through. I assure you, as long as you follow through what I'm teaching you in this video and you subscribe to my channel and you like this video, your sign up will be approved in less than 24 hours. I assure you of that. Okay, all you have to do is to sign up, and I will bring videos to show you how you can do affiliate marketing with Cpagrip and start making money. I will even introduce you to free traffic websites for free traffic. I will bring it in my next video so that you will start making money in Cpagrip affiliate marketing. You can also use the procedure in other affiliate marketing, not only in Cpagrip. You can use it in other affiliate marketing. Cpagrip affiliate marketing is an affiliate marketing anyone can do, and you will start making money instantly. You can start Cpa affiliate marketing today and make money today. So let's go there. So once you go to your browser, or I will put the link below this video. Once you click on the link, or if you don't want to click on the link, go to your browser and type cpagrip.com and the page will open up. You click on Cpagrip sign up. Okay, once you click on Cpagrip sign up, you will see the page will open up like this. So the first thing there is your first name. So you will put your first name, then your last name, then Company. Company is your name. You can put your name, or you put the name of your channel or the name of your YouTube channel or the name of your business. That is your company name. For you to not to complicate issues, you can just put your name, your full name. You can put your full name there. That is your business name. So the next thing is your website. So if you don't have a website, don't bother, don't disturb yourself. They will approve you. All you have to do is, if you have a website, go and copy the link of your website and post it there for them. If you don't have a website, if you have a YouTube channel that have more than 1,000 subscribers, just use your link and put there. Go to YouTube and copy your link and put here that it says website. They will approve you. Okay? But if you don't have a YouTube channel that has up to 1,000 subscribers, there is something else that you are going to do. You will go to YouTube and type a channel that will relate to your name, assuming your name is Peace. So go to YouTube channel and type Peace. You must see somebody that have up to or more than 1,000 subscribers that her name or his name is Peace or something Peace or end with Peace. Is just an example. So what will you do? You will just click on the person's profile and find out whether the person has an email, whether the person added an email to his or her YouTube channel. So if the person did not add any email, just use that name, that person's YouTube channel name, and open an email address. Once you open the email address, is that email address that you will use to create an account in this Cpagrip. So once you open the email address, come and put the email address on the email here. So use that name. You can use the link from that YouTube channel that has Peace on it, or that has a name that relates to your name, and put it there. They will approve your channel. And don't be afraid, nothing concerns you with that YouTube channel again. Okay, it's just for them to approve your account, and once they approve your account, that one is a bygone. So the next thing, that's the tips that said I want to give you that will help them to approve your accounts fast. In less than 24 hours, you will get your confirmation email that they have approved your account. So the next thing is for you to add your street address. Add your street address wherever you are from. Don't be afraid. They accept worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, they will accept you. Just put your street address, put your country, put your city, put your state, whichever state, wherever country you are, put the state. Then put your zip code. Okay, your zip postal code, put it. And if you don't know it, the way you get it is go to your browser and type my zip code. You will see they will bring out your zip code for you. Then put your phone number. Another thing they need from you is your Skype account. So if you don't have an account with Skype already, just go and create one. It's not hard to create. Once you go to your browser and type in skype.com and they will open it. You sign up, and the username, you will now come and use it to create your account. Then that email address you added, you opened, you add it, then create a password. Okay, confirm the password. You will input the password twice to confirm, and use the password you can remember. Choose your time zone. Depends on the country where you are, you choose your time zone. They are asking you, where did you hear about us? Internet, social media, you can tell them anything. Then confirm terms and condition. They want you to confirm that you have read the terms and condition. You can still go through the terms and condition, then you click on confirm. They say you should confirm that you agree that you will not complete the offers yourself, that you will not do self-clicking. So you will confirm, then you confirm the last confirming. That is it, and you click on create. Before you know it, they will send you an email to confirm your email address. So once you confirm the email address, they will now tell you to have patience, that they will get back to you if your account is approved or declined. But I wish you good luck. Your account must be approved. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, YouTube will notify you and you start taking action. It's all about making money online and affiliate marketing. Bye.